Perplexity Comet versus Google Gemini. In this video, we will compare between Google Gemini as well as Comet browser. So your Google Gemini is integrated into your Google Chrome browser. So Perplexity Comet is already an AI-powered web browser with integrated AI assistant. So that is the same thing to Google Gemini and Google Chrome. So it's designed to transform browsing sessions into fluid conversations with an AI assistant that can research, summarize, and execute tasks. It has conversational browsing with agentic capabilities that AI generates answers to replace traditional search results, and it focuses as well on accurate and trustworthy answers and acts as productivity assistant. Meanwhile, Google Gemini have a family of multimodal large language models developed by Google DeepMind. You can head over to the tools and you can see a lot of tools for it as well. So it has advanced AI models capable of processing multiple types of data like text, images, audio, video, as well as code, supporting Google AI Chatbot and being integrated into Google apps and devices. So its use is its native multimodal understanding with sophisticated multi-step reasoning. So in there, as a conclusion, Perplexity Comet is already a web browser. However, if you're leaning into already using what you have, then I recommend you to use Gemini Google instead of Comet browser. Either way, it's actually up to you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.